guys, it's Cindy here, and I'm guessing by now you probably think I'm slightly bonkers because I'm dressed as a monkey. But I'm doing this for a reason, and the main reason is that Simon Hodgkinson and Jeremy Gislason actually pretty much saved my life and got my life started on a way in this internet marketing thing, like in a way that it just wouldn't have happened without them. And I just wanted to say a huge shout out to these guys. And the way that they did it was with affiliate marketing. And if you've heard my story, I started out about 10 years ago now. And way back in the day, I was getting familiar with affiliate marketing, and I connected with these guys through purchasing their products. I started promoting one of their products back in the day with my little tiny small list, and their stuff converted like crazy. And through that, I was able to meet them and connect with them, and went into partnership with them along different varying degrees along the way. And I pretty much earned my first affiliate commissions promoting Simon and Jeremy's products. And it's not because they know how to sell stuff, but the main reason that these guys can sell a ton of stuff is because they create really killer bonus landing pages. And if you've ever seen any of their bonuses, you'll see what I mean. They know how to put together bonus offers that convert, and I learned a lot from these guys, and over the years have had a chance to spend a lot of time with them, and have learnt, just been able to just draw from them and do a lot of what I do, including membership marketing and all of those beautiful things, list building, developing software, and all of that kind of thing. These guys are the masters, and they've just recently created their product, which is Commission Gorilla, and I want you to check it out. In just a second, I'm going to show you a video, and I'll walk you through Commission Gorilla, what it can do for you, and how you can use it really easily to make a bunch of commissions. I cannot recommend this highly enough. I mean, I'm a little bonkers, bananas, and I may be monkeying around just a little bit, but in all seriousness, Commission Gorilla is freaking badass, and you should check it out. So keep watching, and you can see this video in the walkthrough video, and also check out the bonuses below. Thanks. Ciao. Hey guys, are you creating a whole bunch of affiliate promotions and struggling a little bit to get conversions, especially up against all of these bonus wars? If you're promoting affiliate products, you might be surprised to know that affiliates who offer bonuses in their promotions can make up to 5 times more money than affiliates that don't. And this here can be the difference between a few $100s or even one sale and several thousands of dollars in extra commissions from your promotion, or even several places up higher on the leaderboards. Now, most affiliates don't create bonus products for their promotions. And like when you're creating a bonus product, there's a whole bunch of extra value that's added to your subscribers. And most people aren't doing this because it takes too long to build these promotional pages out. And this is why Simon and Jeremy created Commission Gorilla. It's a powerful yet simple to use web-based software that makes it easy for you to replicate their successful affiliate formula and create promotion pages with just a few clicks of your mouse. It works with any affiliate network or platform with no experience or technical skills required. So let's have a look and sign in to Commission Gorilla, and I can show you exactly how it works. The first thing you'll see when you log into Commission Gorilla are your statistics. And these are for your pages. So you can see what pages are converting, which ones are converting well. You can see the highest converting, lowest converting over here. And this is great, so you can see what is working the best. At the top, we have our menu section. First thing we have is new bonus. This is where you'll create and add new bonuses to Commission Gorilla and add new bonus blocks. I'll show you how to do that in a sec. You'll also have your bonus library. This is an essential library of all the different bonuses you've gone ahead and added to Commission Gorilla, which is great because that means now you can store a massive library over time of all your bonuses. As someone that promotes a lot of offers, I end up having dozens and dozens of bonuses over time. So now I can go ahead, collate all of my bonuses in one place, and that's a huge time saver as an affiliate. Next, you've got the new page section, and this is essentially where you'll actually build your page.
And we'll come back to that in a moment. We'll build a page. And there we have my pages, and you can see all the pages that we've built out, which is a really cool place to go ahead and clone pages. If you want to have a template that you like, you can go ahead, clone it, edit it. Again, a huge time saver. So let's go back home. And what I'm going to do is create brand new bonus for this account. So let's go to new bonus. Now you've got different types of bonus block layouts that you can add inside of Commission Gorilla. You have a classic layout, which is basically a text and graphic combo. We'll show you that in a sec. You also have an image and graphic, which is pretty much the easy one you can do because essentially you're uploading an image. So if you've got a banner for the bonus, you can just upload it there and your page is ready. We also have a WYSIWYG style layout, so you can just add text and you can create any kind of text style you want. It's just like editing a Word document. Exactly in a WYSIWYG editor. And after you add this bonus page delivery is what will be shown when people go to access their download page. Let me just quickly show you a couple of examples of these. Have a look at this one right here. This is your classic layout, and this is just a classic block, which is basically text. Then you have an image of a report, for example, some of the benefits, a little bit of copy there, and it's very basic, classic layout for a block. This one here is essentially an image block, and this is another type of block that you could have. So just an image, you can add an image, upload it onto Commission Gorilla, and then it's ready for you to go for any promo that you want to do. Here is the example of the WYSIWYG editor, and you can create any kind of text that you want. This one here we created just for this here. You can add whatever you like. So what I want to do now is actually add a new bonus. I'll show you what it's like, and it's so easy. So let's add an image graphic. We'll do an image block for this one. We'll name it bonus example. Then you could also add it to categories. You can have different kinds of categories. So if you promote stuff like video offers or affiliate marketing or list building, for example, you can create different categories for different bonuses, which is really, really handy. So if I'm doing a video promo, I can have a look at all my video bonuses, all the ones that I've created and that I've set up. You can have review bonuses if you're doing a review video. You can really target them so that you can create very specific offers for your affiliate promotions. When they go to delivery page, over here, they would actually see this on the delivery page. So you can go in and edit all of this. For example, you can get rid of the text here, and this here is what is going to show and display on the download page. And you'll see how easy it is. Everything is totally done for you. So you don't have to mess around with pages. You don't even have to go and update things, which is really, really awesome. And you can choose the colors. Here is the place where you can upload the image for the bonus. So we'll just show you a demo of it here. And there you go. We've got the image right here. And this is pretty much done now. It's a bonus block now in Commission Gorilla. Now that that's done, I'm going to hit save. And I'll go ahead and add that to my now bonus library. And you can see a bonus example. This is one that we've just added to the account now. So what I want to show you now is how to actually use it and put it inside a page so that you can use these bits inside of your bonus page creators. You can create some amazing pages, and I actually created the page that you're looking at right now within Commission Gorilla, which was really fun. First thing to do is name your page. We've just named this video page. You can add your affiliate link in the text field, and then your affiliate link will be added into the button. It's a couple of pro features, and I'll speak about those in a sec. And also go ahead to add your SEO stuff. Make sure that your page is all optimized for SEO. You can change the page colors, and so we can play around with that a little bit. We can make the inside white. You can actually customize it however you like, but I'm going to go ahead with just a nice clean white page. You can add a background image. if you like, or if you want to have just a color for the background, and then it's all cool. You can also, you want to set up your bonus delivery page, and you can set up a header, and you can give your thank you page a name. We'll just do a test here now. Once you've done that, head to blocks, and this is where the fun begins. Inside blocks, you can basically go ahead and drag and drop elements right onto the page. So let's start by adding a nice headline to the page. You just drag and drop it over. You can add a headline in here. It's all very customizable. And again, it's just like you're editing a Word document. You can change the size of the text, you can change the font, you can make it bold. Yeah, you can basically tweak it however you like. So we can change the size up. You go ahead, change the color of the individual words, which is really handy instead of having to have it stuck with one block. You can highlight text, things like that. And it's really, really easy to do. It's very simple to create. What I want to do now is add a little bit of spacing above this headline because I don't like how close it is to the top. So you can just click and drag this space block and you can just drag it above the headline, and there you go. You can customize how much spacing is there if you want to. Just click on the little cog and you can choose how high you want it to do. What I'm going to do is add a very cool countdown timer right underneath this headline. Now the countdown timer is actually a pro feature, so you do need to have the pro version of Commission Gorilla to be able to use the countdown timer. I highly recommend it because countdown timers are really important for your bonus pages. So here you can actually go in and just customize the countdown timer however you like. Change the color of the block. If you want to make it black, you can do that. I can change the black background colors like this. The block actually turns black, as you can see. Then you can do countdown settings, and I'll go ahead, set up the timer for any time right now. You won't be able to see that just yet, but you will see it once it's saved and you preview the page. This will be here for now. Then what I'm going to do is add a nice video right here under the countdown timer. So I'm going to drop a video in here, and once the video block is in, you can just click and simply add in the embed code of your video. And I'm going to do that now, and here we go. Then what we can do is add a nice button under the video, and we'll go to CTA button just here. You can actually customize the button however you like. So go in, hit the cog. These little handy cogs are cool. It just pops up and everything loads really fast. We'll customize that a tiny bit. You do gradients, you can play around with it, which is really nice. If you want a gradient to the bottom, you can do that. I'll change the text color a little bit, make that black so it really stands out. Then it sits nicely underneath my video. Then what we'll do is actually make the section a separate color. I want to make it orange, like the color up the top here. So what I'm going to do is go into the cog, go to the block color and just make it orange. And that's going to make the entire block now orange like that. I also want to make the bottom section orange too. I'll make that orange like here so that it matches up with that section. Now, one thing is that the button doesn't stand out on the orange. So what I might do now is change this color completely, make it very different. And there we go. So now it stands out a bit better on the page. As you can see, it's really easy to add different kinds of elements. Like we added the headline spacing, we added the countdown timer, the video. We customized the blocks a little bit and added a button too. And now the really cool thing, remember those blocks that we added, the bonus blocks? Now you can put those in really easily by clicking bonus block. Once I click the bonus block, it's going to ask me to actually just select a bonus. So I've already set one up. We can go and add one of those in. We have the bonus example. So there. And it's just added to the page like that. If I want to add another one, I hit bonus block and I'll select another one. And we just select this one. Another bonus. And we can just keep adding in bonuses, whichever ones that we want, just like that, really, really easily. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and add another call to action, a countdown timer. You could do social sharing if you want to get people to share the page. We'll drop that in. And we can click it, customize it, integrate it any way that we need it integrated. If I don't want it here, I can just drag it up, up to the top of the page. And we can have a call to action button in like at the bottom of the page, which is really handy so that it's easier for people to buy. That's pretty much how it is to put a page together. Now what I could do is save and exit, and that's going to get added to my pages. And it's going to basically give me a whole lot of options of what I want to do to host the page. Obviously Commission Gorilla can host the page for you. You can just literally take this URL and you can see the page looks really cool. Videos there, countdown timer, headline, everything is there. One thing I did mention with the pro features, and I will show this really quickly, head back to the new page. I want to talk about these pro features. We've got the attention bar, exit redirect, and the countdown timer like I just showed you. And what I want to do is show you a few examples. Here's a page using Commission Gorilla. And with this one, you can see the countdown timer at the page. It's really pretty. You can basically customize this however you want, colors and all those bits and pieces. And this is something you want to have on a bonus page. Give a whole lot of scarcity and increase conversions. There's also the exit redirect. And here we've got another bonus page built by Commission Gorilla. It's a really cool page. It's got bonus blocks up here. It looks awesome. Exit redirect works simply if you click off the page, a pop-up comes up and you can customize this however you want. You can get them to stay on your page, and this is very effective tool and very easy to edit, customize, add, and make more money from your promotions. And the final thing is the attention bar. And the attention bar, I want to show you a little example and then refresh this page. This was used with Commission Gorilla again. After a couple of seconds, and we'll see the attention bar drop. Did you see that? It's a great way to basically redirect your viewer or your prospect's attention. Basically, they might be scrolling through the page, losing attention, just skimming through or whatever. What's going to happen is that the bar pops down, it's going to grab their attention. And a really cool thing I'd love to show you real quick is the template page. If you go to my pages, what the guys at Commission Gorilla have actually done is created a best practices template. And this is basically a template these guys have used again and again to generate a ton of money on their promotions. Here's what the actual promo page looks like. As you can see, it's a really nice page. This is essentially what a good bonus page should look like. The layout, the structure, everything is here and ready and basically done for you, ready to go. All you've got to do to use this template is hit the clone button, and that will basically go ahead and open up that template in a brand new page. It's letting you know that this is a clone page, and that's okay. There you go. You've got the page here now ready to go, and you can literally click in, customize this however you want. Your own headline can go here. You can go ahead and move things around if you want to shuffle things. If you want to customize the button, if you want to change it, you can just change whatever you want. You can literally do whatever you want to do on this page. And this is a great way to jump in and have a template that's already proven to convert. And just go ahead and customize it with your own bits and pieces so that you can go ahead, replace these bonus blocks with your own bonuses that you've already uploaded. For example, I can just get rid of that. Go ahead into my blocks, add a block in. I want to go to essentially with the other bonuses. So I'll just add it in here and select my bonus. And I can load it up, and that's it. Add my own bonuses in on this template, and that will be good to go. The final thing before I leave you is if you are a WordPress user and you want to basically integrate Commission Gorilla with your WordPress to use inside of the pages, you can use this really cool WordPress plugin Commission Gorilla provides. So you could just upload it to WordPress and you're good to go. And you can just use your code here to integrate the apps, and you can use it inside of WordPress. So that's all we've got to say about Commission Gorilla. It's an amazing tool. one that I want to use again and again for my promotions, and it's going to save me a bunch of time and also make me more money and hopefully make you a whole bunch more money too. If you want to make more money with your promotions, make sure you're using Commission Gorilla.